biology because biology gives you that lots of flexibility. I mean, you can choose
Definitely.
zoology modules, you can choose ecology modules, so you can definitely be a well-rounded scientist.
I think this university and our department especially focuses on research and actually training young scientists. So.
Yeah, everyone knows everyone else and you get to know people you're walking around.
You get that one-on-one, I think, education with
Definitely.
lecturers, you get to know them and
you can see them walking around, have a chat.
Yeah, definitely. I know other universities that have like 500 students in a lecture.
Yeah.
Whereas here, you know, if you want to go knock on their door or if you have a problem, they're going to be there.
It helps as well that all the lecturers and researchers are really friendly, really easy to get along with.
Yeah.
Any questions you get, you can ask.
And all the staff here at Royal Holloway, they're like at the top of their field, so whatever they're doing, the lectures are incorporating all the new research which they've done in their papers, so that's also good because you get the first-hand insight into the subject. We definitely do get a lot of lab time, so it helps us develop our lab skills and all our practical skills which we will need if we decide to go into research after our degrees are finished.
Research in the school is very varied and encompasses topics from gene therapy through to the improvement of crop plants and their nutrients and to the behaviour of insect pollinators such as bees. That research will be part of your teaching experience, but also you will carry out a final year project within a research laboratory such as this to enable you to learn the techniques in biological sciences. We place a great emphasis on practical work within your degree, and this is true in all 3 years.
Practicals are a big part of the courses here. We do practicals every single week and they're involved in almost every course. We also go on field trips, which gives us a real breadth of experience. So today we've been dissecting squid and limpets, and it's been really helpful because it's reinforced everything we've been taught in our lectures, and it's been really fun.
The project is great because essentially I have a unique question which is being asked of the project, and we have our lab techniques which we need to use, and these are the same lab techniques that are used in any lab across the world if you're doing this kind of thing. It's on me to work out how to put these techniques together to answer the question I've got, and that's brilliant. That's exactly the kind of thing I expect to be doing if I follow a career in research.
I've actually just been asked to join in with meetings with postdocs and the professor for my project right now, which I kind of feel privileged for because they're actually kind of acknowledging me to actually want to hear everything that's up to date going on with their projects, because my project ultimately is contributing to a postdocs right now.
It's great that we have such biodiversity here on campus, that we can come out and do field work in our own backyard. We've got enough tree species here that we can look at the variety of growth. We've got lots of insects. We can do some field sampling with mining insects in the leaves of trees. Also we've got nice streams and ponds, so we've got plenty of freshwater species we can have a sample of and see what's growing here. And also a lot of bird species that live in the trees around campus. Lots of things to look at.
One of the exciting things of being here at Royal Holloway is to be able to take part in public events such as Science Open Day and Rare Disease Day. Being able to communicate complex scientific ideas in a straightforward and exciting way to many young people, that's really great.
Students in biological sciences learn a huge amount of techniques and also a lot of knowledge. A lot of it is transferable, which means they can explore a huge variety of careers afterwards. Our graduates go into a hugely varied array of jobs, things ranging from graduate medicine, through working in the media, through law, through banking, as well as doing biology itself, whether that's pharmaceuticals, biomedical, or working in a tropical forest doing conservation work. I act as the bridge for the School of Biological Sciences to the Careers Service at Royal Holloway, who lay on a whole array of events and networking opportunities for our students. For example, every year we have an alumni evening where graduates of the School of Biological Sciences come back to us, talk to our students, explain what their job is, how they got there and what they do. And that really helps our students get first-hand advice from people who've done the degree they're doing and are now doing the jobs they'd like to have in the future.